Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use this kit to make the adorable 3D paint by number gingerbread ornament. This kit comes with everything you need to complete the entire project, from the paint, the paintbrush, the ribbon, the glue dots, and 4 panels that you're going to paint yourself. And in this video, I'm going to take you step by step through the entire process. You're also going to need a cup of water and a paper towel. Let's get started. You can use the paintbrush that's included, but I'm going to use a little bit of a larger flat brush to cover this entire square background. It's helpful to place a paper towel or a piece of paper under your painted surface so that if you go over the edge, you don't have to worry about messing up the counter space underneath your project. This paint is very fluid and it doesn't have the best coverage. So what I'm doing is picking up a lot on my brush and I'm puddling it up to give me better coverage. You may need 2 or 3 layers of the paint to get full coverage. It also gives you that little bit of dimension that makes these candy elements look more like gumdrops and peppermints. Once you've painted all of the 4 sections, then you're going to start to fold on the scored lines. They've already scored all of the areas that need to be folded for us, which made this a super easy project. I go ahead and fold them back and forth to make sure that I have nice, crisp, folded edges. I found it easier to apply the glue dots if I went ahead and tore all of the sections apart. Then I could take one at a time and apply those to the designated areas where it says glue dot on the panels. You want to press very firmly to ensure the glue dot sticks to the cardstock before you peel off the backing. Then you'll line that up to the other side of the house and you'll press very firmly. You want to make sure that the house is as square as possible. Now attach the glue dots to the tabs at the top of the house. I left the protective layer on the glue dots on half of the roof because I wanted to be sure I had half of the roof lined up and pressed down before I lined up the second half, as you can see here. So once I did that, I pressed down firmly and made sure that the roof was securely fastened. Now you're going to attach your chimney. You're going to put a glue dot on either side of the roof where they have designated. And I went ahead and just did one side at a time to make sure it was lined up perfectly and then just pressed it down. We need to put the bottom on our house. You're going to affix a glue dot in each corner and then take that square brown card you painted and line it up as evenly as possible and press it down. Now let's attach our ribbon to the top. Now you could leave the ribbon off and just set your little 3D painted gingerbread house up on a counter space or something. I like it with the ribbon personally. And of course, me being me, I decided I wanted to add a little bit more embellishment. I have a glue pen here, and so I am going to just add some white glitter to the edges of my little gingerbread house. Fold a piece of paper and put it under your project. That way, when you're done with your glitter, you can fold it up and pour all of the glitter back into your jar. This will also prevent you having glitter on everything in your life until the apocalypse. Use a dry paintbrush to wipe off any excess glitter. Here I had some red glitter and I used that same glue pen, dotted on a little puddle of glue, and then took a scoop and scooped out that red glitter and then dumped it back into the container directly, tapped off my gingerbread house, and you can't really see it here in the video, but it left a little 3-dimensional pop of red glitter. Of course, you need to sign the bottom of your ornament. I don't know about you guys, but I always have to date and sign all handmade ornaments I make for every year. I did that here with a white pen. And you guys, that is it for this 3D paint by number ornament.